Hello everyone, I'm Joey, and in today's video we are going to be sharing about the GoPro 10 that I bought a few days ago. I know what you're saying, oh, GoPro 10 came out like a year ago, but I just decided to upgrade it from my GoPro 7, which I'm filming this video with, to GoPro 10 because pretty much my GoPro 7 is dying right now. And in today's video we are going to be showing about this GoPro 10 and how I think about it after using for a few days, and some instructions and things you have to know before you buy this GoPro 10. And before the video starts, I live in Japan since 2018, and if there's anything you want to know, leave a comment below. I'll be making videos of them. I'll be making my videos in a Chinese and an English version for each video. And let's get started.
Okay, and now these are the things you're going to see after bringing a GoPro home and unboxing it. Of course, you're going to get a GoPro, you're going to get 2 batteries, you're going to screw, and you're going to get a thing like, I don't know, you can stick on your helmet, and it's kind of curved. And I think that it's kind of like a clip that you can attach it on this, and you can stick this onto your helmet and probably, yeah, stick the leg out of the GoPro, and yeah, you can lock it on it. You get a guarantee, and you get a safety instruction, which doesn't really teach you how to use a GoPro at all. But don't worry, we're gonna teach you how to use a GoPro today. And of course, you get a cable that allows you to connect your GoPro to the computer or either charge it. And I personally bought this double charger because I film a lot when I'm riding a bike and I'm really afraid that I'm gonna run out of battery. And this double charger, when you buy it, which comes with 2 more batteries, but it's a white battery. It's probably kind of a better battery because the staff told me this battery kind of stay a little bit longer comparing to the blue one, but not pretty much. So averagely, they're the same. Okay, so the GoPro Hero 10 uses the newest G2 chip with a 2.7 inches back screen and a 1.4 inches front screen. Compared to GoPro 9, although I don't have a GoPro 9, but after doing a lot of research and a lot of people telling the issue of the GoPro 9 is the front screen lags a lot on GoPro 9, but on GoPro 10, they did a really big improvement on GoPro 10, which when you are looking at the front screen, you know, right now, and it doesn't really lag anymore, even when you're using a 5K 60 frame mode. Okay, so here on your phone, you are able to control your GoPro Hero 10 and you're able to do any adjustment on your phone. So here are the basics. You can select the mode, which one you shoot with, and you can even select the pen over here, which you can select it to like 1080, 4K. You can select almost everything, the resolution over here. For me, I'll just put it on 1080, and the frames are also adjustable. Maximum for 1080p is 240 frames. I'll just leave it on 60. And the lens, you can select that over here, wide, which makes it pretty wide. And the super view, wow, it makes it even wider. Wow, Jesus. And linear over here, the basic mode. And there are the linear plus the horizon leveling. And this is new. I'll put a video on to show you the new horizon leveling, which makes your screen in a spirit level when you are shaking your GoPro. And up to 45 degrees angle, which doesn't really change anything on the screen. But wait, I'm not using it right now. This is a horizon mode, and look at this. If you don't over the angle too much, then yeah, it's going to keep it on the spirit level. And this is really cool. And there's, of course, and they are standard and schedule capture, whatever time. And all the things you need are in the menu over here, the setting menu. Oh no, wait, this is the setting menu, I'm sorry. Yeah, these are the basic settings for your GoPro, and everything last, whatever, default preset, beeps, LED, and language control. Oh, you can even talk to GoPro. Wow, alien tech. So yeah, because the screen is just really way too difficult for you to swipe on it. I recommend you to just do everything on your phone, because this is just terrible. And I hope they can do a lot more improvement on their screen to make it more like a phone at least. So after using this camera for a few days, I feel that there's something that they did a really good improvement compared to GoPro 9, and there's something they still need to do kind of a little bit of improvement. For example, this machine is always overheating and it's so burning. I feel like this machine is going to explode in any second after using 10 minutes. View, because obviously there's a bigger screen on your phone. And the good part is the improvement that they did already comparing to GoPro 9. Of course, now they're using the newest G2 chip, which makes this machine runs pretty fast comparing to GoPro 9, and the front screen is not lagging anymore. And also they added this horizon mode, which makes when you are filming in a really weird angle, and the screen still keeps it on a spirit level, which is kind of cool. And I think that is a really cool thing, a really cool improvement that it done to GoPro. And I hope that, yeah, they fix the problems. And I would say this is a really good sport camera if you want to go do some skydiving, go surfing, and yeah, because it's waterproof basically. And if you like do hiking, skydiving, whatever. Okay, so that's pretty much that I wanted to share today. And I live in Tokyo, Japan right now, so if there's anything that you want to know and you want to share, or any thoughts, just leave a comment below and let me know. I'll try my best to answer them or do videos of them. And thank you for watching today. Also, I'll see you in the next video.